Yes, more plants. G'day my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Kathy and this is where I talk about my plants and all my other pet projects. And today I have another haul for you. In fact, I wasn't intending to get any more plants. I have discovered that I'm not as keen to bring more plants into my home as I used to be. But it was my name day a few weeks ago and my mother gifted me some money. So I decided that what else would I buy but plants? Now I bought these plants from Folia House and I will put all their details in my description box below. It's the first time I bought from them and I wasn't aware that they actually would deliver them to my home. So I was quite surprised when I found them on my doorstep, and they weren't packaged, they were put in a paper bag. I received these plants several weeks ago and I did record some footage and I'll insert that footage here. Yes, another gloomy day in Melbourne. Seriously, I'm not having much luck picking a day for filming, but this is when I received the plants, so this is the day I'm filming. Let's start off with the first one, which is the biggest one I ordered, and that is this. Wow, isn't this beautiful? Ah, I just love it. It is gorgeous. I don't have anything this color in my home. It really is a lime green. I should tell you what it is. It is an Epipremnum aureum Goldilocks. I think it might also be called neon. I have seen some in person and they look a lot more yellow, whereas this is really a lime color. Oh, I love it. It even has a little trellis and it's a very healthy plant, as you can tell. Just stunning. Look at the size of these leaves. Oh, wow, isn't she gorgeous? I love it. Now I'm going to tell you the prices. This one is in a 13 centimeters pot and it was $15, which I think is a bargain. The ones I saw at Bunnings were more yellow and they definitely did not look as healthy as this, and they weren't much cheaper. So I think I did very well. What do you think? Now I bought a mixed bag of things because I like all sorts of plants. So I did get some succulents as well as some indoor plants. The next one I want to show you because, oh my God, look at that. It is flowering. Okay, confession time. I have killed 2 Haworthia fasciatas. I am not going to kill this one, I swear. If I have to leave it 2 months before I water it, I'll do that. I don't want it to suffer, but still, I am determined to keep this one alive. I know why I have killed all my Haworthias, and that's because when I water it, the water remains up the top in between the leaves and then they rot away. So I'm now going to be bottom watering these because I don't trust myself. And I will definitely wait until they are bone dry. I have been actually doing that. The last fasciata, which I think I got in May, was alive for months on end. It's just towards the end, it seems that I killed it off. So I was really gutted that I killed it. And I didn't want to spend on a big one because I don't trust myself. But who expected to get one that is flowering? But this looks beautiful. I'm not very good at doing that and the YouTuber thing, the hand thing. So I'm just going to give you better close-up shots of these plants. But isn't that beautiful? I love it. The next one is also a succulent. It is called a little jewel, Pachyphytum compactum. Now tell me this isn't the most adorable thing. I just love this one. Oh, it is so cute. It has, what do you call that? Its colouring is green with a little bit of violet through it. I think if this one sits out in the sun, it will really enrich the colouring. And my neighbour is doing some work outside, so I hope you can't hear that. You probably can, but anyway. And I think this one will go outside. I don't think I'll keep this indoors. I am very lucky that I actually can keep my succulents outside because they definitely grow so much faster outdoors. But it's just adorable. Oh my God, is that cute or what? I love it. I forgot to mention this was $6.50 and so was the Haworthia. Bargain if you ask me. So I have saved the best for last. And I'm sure all my regular subscribers will not be surprised to hear that I bought peperomias. And yes, in the plural, I bought more than one. We are first going to start with this, which was wrapped in paper. This is the only one really that was wrapped. Oh, oh, okay. Yes, a Peperomia prostrata or string of turtles. Mine is still alive, they are still green, but they're just not growing very fast. And when I saw this, it was a good price. So I thought, hopefully mine will survive, but until they do, I'm going to do my best to see if I can get this one to grow. I just love these turtles so much. I think they are adorable. Seriously, I can look at this one for ages. I don't know what soil it is in, but I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to leave it alone since it's doing so well. And I think I might even hang it in my north-facing windows. I think that would be sufficient distance that it won't burn the leaves. God, I hope not. That will kill me if I hurt this one because it's so gorgeous. I know some people think these are overrated. I don't think so. The leaves really do look like turtles. It is just so unusual looking. I think that's why I love this one so much. And this was a bargain. I got this little plant for $11. Total bargain if you ask me. So that's the first Peperomia. The next one is this. This is a Peperomia rubella. These are all, I think, baby plants. So I'll probably end up killing them, but let's hope not. I really like this one. And it has these beautiful red stems or petioles. Just gorgeous. The leaves are tiny, tiny, which I just adore. And they have a very faint stripe to them. Very, very faint though. Oh, I really do love this one. It's just gorgeous. What do you guys think? Oh, love it. So this one was $6. Again, I think a bargain. Very healthy little plant too, isn't it? Okay, next. Yes, more peperomias. I am addicted. Did you not know that? Okay, this is one I have not seen before. So this one is really interesting. I really love the markings on the leaves of this. This is Peperomia xanadu. Look at that. Gorgeous, isn't it? Oh, I love it. And it's also flowering. I just love it. I love the markings on the leaves. They are just so different to other peperomias. So yes, this is Peperomia number 3. God, I've got so many. Okay, yep. I have a peperomia addiction problem. I think you need to send help. And I saved this one for last because it is the most striking looking. I think so anyway. This is Peperomia peppermill. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh, I just love this one. This has got such unusual colouring on the leaves. They are a brown with a little bit of, I don't know if you'd even call that cinnamon. And some parts of the leaves are actually a minty green or a very pale minty green. But how stunning is this? Oh wow, I just love this one so much. I have seen this one online, a few months ago, and I thought I have to add it because it's so different to anything else I've got for peperomias. In fact, all of these look so different. I'm not sure which cultivar it is or what blend of peperomias it is. I'll have to do some more research. Regardless, it's stunning, isn't it? Oh, I think out of all of them, this is probably my favourite. But I also love the rubella and the xanadu. How cool is that? And of course the turtles. I mean, who can beat turtles, right? Oh, I don't know. I love all of them. They're just beautiful. So thank you so much to Folia House for my beautiful, beautiful babies. I just adore them. So let me know which plants you liked and which ones you didn't. You know I love to hear which ones are your favourites. I've now had them probably about a month, and I have to say they're all doing really well, which makes me very happy. And for all of you Peperomia fans, I think my count is now at 21, maybe 22. I actually have to do another recount. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for hanging out with me. And as always, if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to my channel. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye. Are you stuck? Hello. Hello, stranger. Weirdo.